Hello everyone, my name is Sanya Sayed. I got to know about ACRI from one of my friends. She was being trained here and also been a trainer here. And then I approached Divya ma'am, who told me that we have clinical data management, clinical research, pharmacovigilance will be trained all in all here. So then I got into ACRI, and once I was in ACRI, and compared to when I was then and compared to when I am now, there's a huge transformation in me. I got to know here, I was being trained here for usage of language. My vocabulary was improved, my strengths were improved, I would overcome my weaknesses. Then they give us here pre-mock sessions which will be useful for us to go there for interview. And then here coming back to the trainers here, they are very motivative and they teach us in such a way that easy understandable. They give us study material, then test will go on to test your abilities, and they make your basics strong first and then they go into the subject in detail, so we'll not have any confusion later. And here the teachers are the trainers, I would say. They are very helpful for all of us in all possible ways. They'll motivate you, then they'll make your class so interesting and interactive, so you can ask doubts without thinking twice. Even if you're wrong, that doesn't matter here. And then coming back to my interview, which was scheduled on 11th November in Shilton company, which is a CRO company. And there we had aptitude round and group discussion round. Then we had technical round, and finally was an HR round. So cracking all the steps were so easy for us ACRI students, because we have been come in a circumference earlier here, because they'll train us for pre-interviews, how to get your personality skills, how to develop your personality skills, your communication skills, then your aptitude sessions, your general knowledge about the subject. Then and also I would say this course is very useful for all of us, because we have 3 different sessions here, clinical research, then clinical data management, and also pharmacovigilance. So people can opt for wet lab or dry lab, or the people who is interested in clinical data management can go on for clinical data management, and the person who wants to get into pharmacovigilance background can also go for pharmacovigilance background. So all in all, this ACRI made me crack interviews so easy that I would personally thank all the lecturers here, namely Rohini ma'am for making my personality, for overcoming my weaknesses in communication, or talking to HR managers, making it so easy. And Rohini, and then coming back to Sushi ma'am, then Judith ma'am and Amrita ma'am made it so easy for us to know the subject in detail. And then Sushma ma'am was so she was all in all with us every time, and to get us placed in an esteemed company, and I would personally thank her a lot. Then I would thank all the lecturers here. They have been very helpful, very cooperative, and very friendly with all of us. And I would suggest the viewers to also know about ACRI and come and join, so it will be very helpful for you. And yeah, the staff is also so good. So my transformation from what I was 3 months back, and if you see me now, so that's given me a vast difference in my personality and gave me a path to mold my career. So thank you everybody for making me what I am today. Thank you so much.